How to fix Apple Pay account restricted or locked. So first of all, on your iPhone or iPad, simply open up your wallets and then you just need to head over to your Apple Cash Card, and once you are there you just need to tap on verify identity and follow the on-screen instructions and ensure that all of your personal informations are accurate during verification. Now, next thing is review status. If your account is under review, you cannot send or receive money or add funds. Review can take up to 2 business days. Now, once your account is reviewed, your account will either be active or display a status message on your Apple Cash Card. Next step is, if your account is restricted due to identity verification failure or suspected fraud, you can still transfer your Apple Cash Card balance to your bank or use it for Apple Pay purchases. However, you cannot send or receive money or add funds to your account. If no instructions are provided, you need to make sure to contact Apple support. Hope this helped. This is how you can fix Apple Pay account restricted or locked.